Welcome to Pismo Beach, California. I flew over 7 o'clock in the morning over Labor Day weekend. I wanted to just point out some of the cool things that are happening around Pismo Beach and some updates and everything. So we're flying from basically the entrance of the north entrance of Pismo Beach up by the Moose Lodge. And we're going over the new pier. So this pier, that Pismo Beach sign, that whole area down below, it's all new. It's only been there for a few years. So we just turned around. Now we're flying right over the Dolphin Cove Motel, which is right next to the Moose Lodge. As we fly northbound up the beach, you can see that over on the right-hand side, it's mostly hotels, motels. There are some single-family residents up there, but for the most part, it's just short-term rentals. Now, going from the pier to the end of the beach where we see this now, it's about a half a mile to the end of the beach there. So it's a great walk. If you go down to the pier, walk to the end and back, it's about a 1 mile walk. You can see that the beach literally does end. And then beyond it is Shell Beach, and those are the cliffs. So now we turn around, we're flying over. Again, it was a busy weekend, 7 o'clock in the morning, so we have some interesting shadows and everything. So Pismo, obviously, people really like to surf and play in the water near the pier. You can see how long that pier is. It's a nice new pier and nice and big and long. We do get king tides and different tides here. And sometimes the low tide goes almost all the way out to the end of the pier there. So it's pretty cool when we get those king tides and you can walk out there in your shorts and almost go to the end of the pier. So there's a lot of cool things happening on the pilings and the uprights underneath the pier when you are able to walk out there. We swing around. We're looking at the downtown area right now. This is mostly stores, shops, restaurants. There's a little bit of lodging here and there, mostly hotels. Single-family residences over to the right of this shot, and mostly up on the hill out beyond the shot and over to the left. But Pismo, you can see it's a small little town. We're gonna turn and we're gonna see the edge of town here. So downtown, it's a great place to hang out. There's lots of surf shops. There's lots of just neat local places to go. Good food, good drinks throughout the downtown area. There's the housing up there on the hill, and now we're going to swing around. So those two lanes up there, that's Highway 101. Now, when we get to the beach over on the left-hand side of the base of the beach on the left, you see the water up there on the left? That's basically the end of Pismo Beach. There's RVs, there's camping up there on the left-hand side, and then we get into Grover Beach. So beyond that water, we have the Monarch Butterfly Cove, and then we go up farther. You see there's no cars on the beach here. So you have to go all the way up to Grand Avenue, which is about 2 miles from here, 1.5 miles, 2 miles. You can walk down there. But once you get to Grand Avenue, the end of Grand Avenue, then you're going to start seeing cars on Pismo Beach. And it's okay to drive southbound on the beach. So if you're here visiting, go check it out. Make sure you check the tides. You want to go on low tide, so you're driving on that hard-packed sand. If you have four-wheel drive or all-wheel drive, you're going to be a little bit better off. But front-wheel drive, okay, in the hard-packed sand. Rear-wheel drive, don't do it. Call, text, or email me, Bruce Carson, Realtor. I'm here to help.